supposed to be like the final cruise on Central Car Show. I have no idea what that means at Park Central Mall, but we're gonna go find out and check it out.
Young is coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flip my pie, really did that 180. Yeah. Skirt. I flip my pie, really did that 180. Young is coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flip my pie, really did that 180. Yeah. Skirt. I flip my pie, really did that 180.
Who's that gon' tell me I can't do it?
I can't do.
Better be on time with my bankroll.
My bankroll.
Talk fat, no ball cat, no lit word.
No lip word.
Routine like clockwork, my wrist word.
Let's go like this. I flourish the cook, got no roof on it. I'm talking, I'm all in the moment. Everything that I don't miss. Till someone get John on the line, say the invoice is coming. I'm thumbing through stacks of that cold ball. They egging me on, so I'm going off. I got them mad, I show off. They treating my life like it's no law. I never flex up, but my means. I split the cream when my tribe don't lie. Don't roll me, don't know me, you not regime. To the one with the condom, my eye is on it. Yeah. I see you move through the place, they precaution, they snaking, they seeing me. Money tree, wake up the royalties. I got a queen, yeah, she go with me. She making me feel like I'm royalty. It's probably cause you royalty. I just got fresh with the golden piece, shrug, show the emoji, okay. You know it's me, diamond soul, dancing, singing like Jodeci. 10 out of 10 every time till they notice me. What you thought I was supposed to be.
How about that? They still had a spot for us.
Granted, my hits touch the billboards and they printing my face on the billboard. They envy my drip, I'm enlightened. You should let go when I hate, but you feel more. I make a rage every time they get flame when they hear what I say, coming straight from the source, yeah. Come a long way from the coast by the shore. My
Should've put a magnet on that, son. Let's go walk, kiddos. Look at these cars, they're amazing, huh? Look at that helicopter. That's how you do a show right there. Look at it.
I flip my pie, really did that 180.
Who's that gon' tell me I can't do it?
I can't do.
Better be on time with my bankroll.
My bankroll.
Talk fat, no ball cat, no lit word. The new thing going crazy. They be like, look, girl, that's Xavier. Young nigga sauced up, I'm gravy. Suede on the boat shoes, that's wavy. Chief rocker, young drop topper. Got the op stopper, that's Mando. Ain't there nigga with me, but I see him doing what he can, though. And I came in this with the ruffians. Loaded, I'm buffering, flexing, I'm buff again. Winning, they know that I'm up again. Talk like he bustin', I know he gon' bluff again. Sweatsuit with the suede on it, not a stain on it, just a pack scene. Got a thing for the paper piles and the brown babies with the accent, and they know that it's really up. The coppers, we tear the whole city up. Hit the stage and she holding them up. About to flip me 100, put 50 up. They be popping that for the internet. They want an Oscar, I'm cool on the fakery though. How you be doing the most when you doing the least? They be loafing on bakery mode. I got a screw face like they smell something, but it makes sense. I'm the excrement, top billing, and I'm crop killing, and I'm not feeling all that extra shit. Salt ducking with a Spice Girl, playing Top Chef for the honey dips. Every app like the Cash app when you really get into the money flips.
Young is coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah. Young is coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah.
mini trucks. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Look at this. Good, how you doing, man?
Nice turnout today, huh?
Dude, it's incredible. It's incredible.
First time, even not running, now you pull up. You know what I mean?
That's sick, dog. That was awesome. Woo.
Young niggas coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flip my pie, really did that 180. Yeah. Skirt. I flip my pie, really did that 180. Young niggas coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand up, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah. I flip my pie, really did that 180. Yeah. Skirt. I flip my pie, really did that 180.
Who's that gon' tell me I can't do it?
I can't do it.
Better be on time with my bankroll.
My bankroll.
Talk fat, no ball cat, no lit word.
No lip word.
Routine like clockwork, my wrist word.
Right, let's go like this. I flourish the cook, got no roof on it. I'm taunting, I'm all in the moment. Everything lit, I don't miss. Till someone get John on the line, say the invoice is coming. I'm thumbing through stacks of that cold ball. They egging me on, so I'm going off. I got them mad, I show off. They treating my life like it's no law. I never flex above my means. I spit the cream on my tribe, don't I? Don't bro me, don't know me, you not regime. To the one with the crown that my eye is on it. Yeah. I see you move through the blaze, they precaution, they snaking, they seeing me. Money tree, wake up the royalties. I got a queen, yeah, she go with me. She making me feel like I'm royalty. It's probably cause we royalty. I just got fresh with the golden piece. Shrug, show the emoji, okay. You know it's me, diamond soul dancing, singing like Jodeci. 10 out of 10 every time till they notice me. What you thought I was supposed to be. Ain't nobody close to me. Granted, my hits touch the billboards, and they printing my face on the billboard. They envy my drip, I'm enlightened. You should let go of that hate, but you feel more. I make them rage every time they get flame when they hear what I say, coming straight from the source, yeah. I come a long way from the cold by the shore, my boy, I'm enjoying this. Young niggas coming to you.